Click on the link below to get price. The Zoe Lev Jewelry 14K Gold Large Open Link Necklace is a striking piece that beautifully embodies modern elegance and versatility. Crafted from solid 14K gold, this necklace boasts a refined finish that captures the light beautifully, making it an eye-catching addition to any jewelry collection. Upon unboxing, the weight of the necklace is immediately noticeable. It feels substantial yet comfortable, which speaks volumes about its quality. Each link is meticulously designed, with a smooth surface that enhances its overall appeal. The large open links create a bold statement while still maintaining an air of sophistication, making it perfect for both casual and formal occasions. Whether worn over a simple t-shirt or paired with an elegant dress, it elevates any outfit instantly. One of the standout features of this necklace is its versatility. It can be worn alone for a minimalist look or layered with other necklaces for a trendy stacked effect. The design is timeless, ensuring it won't go out of style, making it a worthwhile investment that can be cherished for years to come. The length of the necklace is adjustable, allowing for customization to suit various necklines, which is an added bonus. The craftsmanship is evident not only in the quality of the materials but also in the attention to detail. The links are securely connected, providing peace of mind that the piece is durable and can withstand daily wear. The clasp is also robust, ensuring that the necklace stays securely in place. In terms of care, the 14K gold finish is relatively low maintenance, requiring only occasional polishing to maintain its shine. This necklace is ideal for those who appreciate fine jewelry without the hassle of constant upkeep. In conclusion, the Zoe Lev Jewelry 14K Gold Large Open Link Necklace is an exquisite piece that effortlessly combines style and functionality. Its elegant design, superior craftsmanship, and versatility make it a must-have accessory for anyone looking to enhance their jewelry collection.